Good morning, class 4. Welcome back to the online computer class. Today we will continue our chapter 5, that is the internet web browser. Before starting the new topic, first recapitulate. We have read in our previous class about the types of internet services. There were 5 types of internet services: dial up, DSL, cable, satellite, 3G and 4G, in which dial up is the oldest one. DSL is much faster than dial up, and cable is the speediest one among dial up, DSL and cable. Satellite, 3G and 4G were the wireless internet services. So, today we will read some basic terminologies which were related to internet. The first one is web browser. Kids, in your screen there is a picture which is showing some famous web browsers: Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, then Firefox. All these are what? These are web browsers. So, what is a web browser? A web browser is an application software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. Kids, for your information, a web browser enables us to interact with text, images, videos, music, games, anything we can search through a web browser. In fact, we can request for any web page through a web browser only. It is the responsibility of a web browser to interpret text and commands contained in the web page. Kids, whatever we enter in the web page, suppose if we want to open our school's website, then first of all we have to go to the web browser, then type St. Anne's School, Ramgarh, Katha, then it will search that text in through that command, and then it will show our school's website. Earlier, kids, the web browsers were only text based. It means it only searches through what we type on it. But nowadays, if we search through any photograph or any image, then it shows results related to that. In fact, Google Chrome is available on audio, or you can say voice based search. Okay, some popular web browsers are, kids, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge. All these are what? The popular and most extensive web browsers available in the internet. Next, we will read about website. So kids, website is a set of related web pages and accessed using its internet address, which is popularly known as Uniform Resource Locator. I will show you what is a Uniform Resource Locator. Kids, a web page is made up of related text, you can say images and other resources. In fact, it resembles other form of media like newspaper article, in fact television program. So the main purpose of a website can be almost anything. It can be of any news platform, any advertisement agency, any online library, okay, a forum for sharing images, such as Instagram is the most popular platform to share images, okay, and educational site, just like you have heard about, I think, Wikipedia, the most famous encyclopedia available around the world, that is Wikipedia. It is also a website. Okay, now let's move on to web page. Kids, The picture that is displaying on your screen is the picture of a web page. So, what a web page is? Kids, a web page is a document that is generally available on World Wide Web. World Wide Web is famously known as WWW. Web pages are stored on a web server and can be viewed using a web browser. So here it is clear that the web browser has a vital role in serving a internet services. Kids, a web page can contain huge information including text, graphics, audio, video, hyperlinks. In fact, if we want to watch cartoon, we can surf it through web browser and then we will select a particular web page. Kids, you are able to see on your screen a round circle type image. So it is an image of web page logo. You need to draw this on your computer classwork copy. It is very important for you. Okay. Now, the most easiest topic of this chapter is home page. It is nothing just the first page of a website. I repeat, home page is the first page of a website. Kids, on your screen, it is a picture that is showing Google. This is the home page of Google. When you surf Google and you try to search anything through Google, then the Google will display this page first. So the first page of any website is the home page. It contains links and buttons for the information available of the website. Okay. So kids, now these are the classwork questions. Okay. So let's discuss what are the questions. Define the following term. It means you have to write web browser, websites, web page, home page. Means what is a web browser, what is a website, what is a web page, and what is a home page. Now next question is very simple. I think everybody can answer. Is give some examples of web browsers. Kids, everything we have discussed in this class, so I think you can write yourself. Now try to write answers your own. Okay, I will share every answers surely, but you should try to write at least first yourself. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.